What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Pixel 8 on deck, and today is a case video. Now, you guys know what time it is. When it comes to the Pixel, my favorite silicone case actually come straight from Google. So this is the silicone case from Google for the Google Pixel 8. Now, my Pixel 8 is in the hazel colorway, so of course I got the hazel silicone case from Google. These are just like some of my favorite cases for Pixel devices. Like automatically off the break, if I buy a Pixel, I need to have the matching silicone case for it. But let's just get into it. Let's take a look at this case. So we just gonna get the case out like so. And as you can see, it's in a paper wrapper. Get the case out the paper wrapper. And here we go, guys. We got the hazel silicone case for the Google Pixel 8 from Google, looking very clean and aesthetic. That's one thing I like about these cases. They very clean, very aesthetic look, match exactly with the Pixel. Like not just match the color, but like the whole vibe and the whole aesthetic. So you can see we got the Google G on back, and that's like out of some type of faux aluminum or faux metal look. I like how that does, how that contrasts. And it matches with the button press. Now, the button press is like a metal button press, really good individual buttons that's been inserted into the case. So you get a nice natural button press. Now, if it's not metal, I mean, they really tricked me really good because I feel like it's like aluminum or something, but just a really nice button and a nice button press on this silicone case. We take it to the inside, and as you can see, we got that microfiber soft touch inside to protect your device while it's in the case. Some cases actually will scratch your device while they're in the case, and we got some Pixel branding going on. All cutouts on deck down bottom, noise canceling mic cutout on deck up top. Now, one thing I just really like about this case is this material is made out of. It's like a silicone skin over a polycarbonate type case. The silicone skin is really nice, very soft touch, and makes the device just feel really good in your hand. So here we got the Pixel 8 in hazel, and then we got this silicone case in a hazel colorway, matches perfectly. Now we got the Pixel 8 in the case, guys. Tell me this is not a clean aesthetic. Just a very clean aesthetic of a case and a device looking really good. Nice and clean silicone case. Google branding, like these are just fanboy cases to me. Like when you got a Samsung device, you got a Samsung case, it just say fanboy. Like I'm a Pixel fanboy at times, so I like to have my Pixel phone and my Google case to go with it. And you know, it just give you fanboy vibes, but just the aesthetic on this is A1. We got a raised up lip around the camera section that's really protecting your camera section. The camera bar on the Pixel is so legendary right now. I feel like Google did a good job with this case, just letting the camera bar breathe, but at the same time having a raised lip around it to protect it. Of course, all your cutouts are going to be perfect, guys. I mean, you get in the case from Google, cutout matching perfect up top. Now the button press is A1, like I said. They got these individual buttons that's like inserted into the case. I like when they do that. Instead of having a silicone case where the buttons are actually attached to the case and making it a hard press, they put individual metal buttons in here, which is a really clean look, especially the way they match the Google branding and they match the camera bar. I mean, this is fires when it comes to the aesthetics. Now, out front, you definitely got a raised lip on this case. A raised lip meaning that the actual case protrudes past the display. So if you drop this device on a flat surface, the case will take the impact and not the device. But yeah, this is the Google silicone case for the Pixel 8 in hazel. I just wanted to show y'all. If you watch, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to check this case out, I'll put a link down in the description so you can pick it up. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. This is my Pixel 8, and this is my silicone case in hazel. I'm out. Peace.